Yeah, so I got there in the end. I know this isn't the traditional way to build a boat, but this is how I thought it would be the quickest way for me to build. So I scribed these pieces and then made a template and did a mirror image. So it was a real quick way of seeing what this side of the boat would look like. With stringers, they need to bend to create the shape, and I thought you would have probably had to cut back into the boat here to get the stringer to bend. If you started in such a short piece, it wouldn't form right. So that's why I've done it this way. So from here, just a little bit more shaping, obviously all of the stem to do, and then we can start doing layers of ply, and should be getting closer.